Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, I'm going to tell you that what we have done, and this is our final year project, and held in Bias, Islamabad. And this is our electric circuitry. These are drive cards: X motor stepper motor drive card, Y stepper motor drive card, Z stepper motor drive card, and the serial communication and the signal controlling device. You may say that a microcontroller drive board is here, and these are the sensors which are placed CNC limit switches. As this is the control of that, and these switches are full step and half steps of stepper motors. If we place here, it will go on the full step, and if we here, it will rotate on a half step. This is all the supplies which I have given to this module. And these are cooling fans for Darlington power transistors, both of these. And this is my our whole CNC milling machine as a whole, and this X-axis stepper motor is here, which will rotate from X-axis positive and negative to positive as we required. This is the Z-axis stepper motor, and at the back end there is a stepper motor for Y-axis. And these are the limit switches in the proximity inductive sensor, which are used to detect the limit of our bed, and to initialize our home, to set the home position of our whole machine. Now I'm going to tell you that we are going to trace a scale whose coordinate will be defined later. And now I will set my module power on. Initially, when I will push the reset of this button, the communication between this module and CNC machine will start, and my machine will go towards the home position, because that machine doesn't know where that exactly where is. And to get from a home position as a initial position, we will set it X positive, Y positive, and Z positive. That will its initial position. When I push reset button, it will X, Y, and Z motor will go towards these home positions. Now these motors are moving, Z axis moving towards positive home, Y axis moving towards positive Y, and this motor is moving upward towards this positive Z axis. When these limit approaches, this sensor will detect its occurring, and that will toggle its pin at the microcontroller, which will cause to stop the bed, stop that motor. The sensor which will detect first, that will now this motor and Z motor have detected from their sensors, and these are jammed now step. But Y-axis doesn't detect this home position, and sensor doesn't give signal to microcontroller. Now this is moving towards the sensor. When bed will comes in its range, then it will give indication to microcontroller, then it will stop. Now this stops. Now this motor is moving to first coordinate, and that is the -2. When this motor will cover -2, then this motor will stop, and this motor will again move to -2. Now that covers is to -2 inches distance, and Y motor start to go towards that initialized position. Then that will also cover -2 Y axis towards negative.